and give you a quick tutorial on one of the most effective, in my opinion, most effective moves for your legs in my bar class. And I'm gonna be using a bar. You wanna be like a full arms distance. Full arms distance. You don't wanna be super close. You wanna be pretty far back, okay? What you're gonna do is externally rotate your toes, tap your heels first. I'm gonna guide you through. Then what I want you to do is step back with the right foot, hands on the bar. You're gonna incline your chest, okay? And then your leg is gonna go up. The other leg is gonna go up. And you can take your hands wider for a more supportive base here with your arms. All you're gonna do is pulse into the bottom leg. I call that the foundation leg. Pulse is just a mini movement, micro movement. So if you can see, my heel is elevated. That's activating my calf, right? Abs are pulled in, shoulders are back. You're just gonna do this until I tell you to stop. You're gonna be there longer than you would like to be. The whole method that I use is deep, deep muscle work. So your thighs might start to shake a little bit, especially if you're deconditioned, you're not used to it, that's okay.